Hey there everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Angie and you should totally hit that subscribe button before we get into anything. Did you do it? Oh, I hate myself. I hate those type of people that do that. I'm sorry. Today's video is a video about UCF. I know the fall is coming up very quickly. I figured I would do a video about UCF for you guys. So today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 things that you should know about UCF before coming here. And I guess some things that they don't tell you in the brochure, like only a student here are things that you kind of know about and you could kind of expect when you get here yourself. So let's get into it. Number 1 is there are always people skateboarding on campus, so watch your back. What I mean by this is that obviously we have a pretty big campus. We have a lot of students that go here. We're number 2 in the how many student body we have. We're a very big school. Everyone's trying to get to class, and some ways that students get to class is by skateboarding. And a lot of students do that, but if you're not a skateboarder like myself and you kind of just walk everywhere, you have to be careful about other people kind of skateboarding around you guys, because I've seen crashes happen where bikers and skateboarders have crashed into people walking because they're trying to get around quicker and faster, and it's like it's dangerous sometimes. Try not to blast my music too loud in my headphones when I'm walking everywhere because you can usually hear them coming behind you, rolling by. So definitely try to keep an eye out and an ear out for skateboarders, just so you don't fall and break your face, you know? Number 2 is that there are a lot of squirrels. UCF is kind of known for having so many squirrels around campus, especially if you walk from the Student Union to Memory Mall. There's that bridge that bridges the 2 units. There's always squirrels. They're very vibrant and they'll come up to you and say hey. It's weird. People feed the squirrels. It's just a thing. I don't know what's about it, but they're always around, so be aware. Number 3, Chick-fil-A is very popular in Florida, so be aware of the Chick-fil-A line. The Chick-fil-A line is always long, especially around 2 o'clock-ish. It gets really poppin' and you can be waiting in line for a hot minute. Whenever I get Chick-fil-A, I usually go later on the day, 6 o'clock-ish, because it's usually not as poppin'. UCF students and people here they love Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A, I totally understand, but we only have one Chick-fil-A on campus and it's in the breezeway, so everyone's always there and it's just a poppin' place. Number 4, do not step on the Pegasus, especially if you haven't graduated yet. People say that if you step on the Pegasus, you will not graduate, you'll change your major 3 years in. It's a very bad luck to step on the Pegasus before you're graduated. So because of that, around graduation time, you might see a lot of graduates step on the Pegasus taking photos because it's a thing. They don't have the rope around the Pegasus around that time, so just be aware when you're walking in the Student Union. Maybe more towards graduation time, they might not have the ropes around it. And lastly, number 5, we have such fun traditions here, and probably the most common one that everyone kind of knows about is Spirit Splash. So basically during homecoming week, everyone sets up around the reflection pond. There's a few ducks inside of the reflection pond and everyone kind of rushes in trying to get a duck, and there's loud music and Nitro's there hyping everyone up and it's really freaking fun. And if you get a duck, it's holy grail, holy fucking grail. I'm pretty sure that shit runs expensive on online. It's a huge deal if you get a duck. But it's super fun. So that is everything for you guys. That is all of my 5 things that you should know about UCF before coming here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you go to UCF, let me know in the comments below. Maybe we could hang out, become friends. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!